This is where the Great Northern Railway came through. And in 1910, a big avalanche came right through this area. Which is crazy. And this is one of the snow sheds that went right through here.
Isn't that cool?
All that, all the black, it's all soot from the old steamies. If it looks like this stuff that looks like ice, it's not. It's coming down. That's all lime seeping through the cement. Look at this. Now that's funny someone made. Look at that. See? Right here. It says snow sheds are designed to carry sliding snow from the hillside above across the sloping roof into the ravine below. Right here. All concrete snow shed at 1911 to 1929 for protection at the site of the 1910 avalanche. The Great Northern built this 2,463 foot, nearly half a mile, long double-track snow shed. Due to the high cost of its construction, this was the only all-concrete snow shed the Great Northern ever built. The entrance to the snow shed marks the approximate eastern extent of the 1910 avalanche path.
Oh, you can see it on there. Okay, it looks better.
Okay.
And
Now
we're
say-
at that
now-
entrance right now.
Now say what is that? Say what's supposed to? Okay. If you look right here at this track, that'll be going over there. But that was long ago. You have to see that. Goes for a half a mile down there. This is track 1. And this will be track 2. Really cool. Right up there. That was the old insulators for the electrical.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
All down here. Over 100 years. 1910. So like 114 years ago. Right here. Late in February of 1910, two Great Northern Railway trains left Leavenworth, Washington to travel across Stevens Pass just as a series of storms fronts, dumping so much as a foot of snow per hour, hit the North Cascades. Upon reaching the Cascade Tunnel, the trains were delayed for 9 days. Crews from the Great Northern Railroad worked tirelessly to clear the tracks, but the efforts were no avail. At 1:42 a.m. on March 1st, 1910, the morning passengers had planned to walk to safety. A lightning struck hit the hill above the trains, and the mountains let loose. Both trains were swept down the hill by snow, rocks, trees, and
These
other
are
debris.
all the people that died. Jeez.
Coming to S 100 feet below on the bank of the Tai River, 96 people died. Among them were railroad passengers, Great Northern Railroad workers, and employees of the fast mail train. It remains to this day the worst avalanche disaster in the history of the United States. Right here in Washington. And right here, these were all the people, and that was their age, that died.
These are all railroad workers here. These are all the people on the train, passengers and railroad workers. Jeez, that guy was 19 years old. That was it.
Yeah, right here. Earl Fisher.
Yeah. Just starting out. Earl Longcoy, 19.
24.
Julian
Young.
Wells, 19. 6 unidentified laborers.
And right here.
This entire family got wiped out. Ella, look at George Beck, her husband, he's 40. Ella Beck, wife, 30.
Yeah.
Irma Beck, 4 years old, dead. Harriet Beck, 6 years old, dead. Leonard Beck, 2 years old, dead. Their entire family. They wiped them all out, the whole that sucks. That's the electrical stuff, huh?
Looks like it.
Hey, there's the old boiler. Told you it's down there.
Yep. Still here. Rod.
That's 57 years ago they wrote that.
September 5th, 1967. That's old. Still here.
Yeah, Rod's probably dead.
Probably, but don't know. Just going through the tunnel. Don't go away tunnel. And this guy showed up. Cute little guy. I'm recording it. Don Stone.
I think after Don Stone's dad died, I think he came up here and wrote Don Stone 8554 because it used to just say D Stone, and it wasn't in this, it was in charcoal. Yeah, so Don came up here. And rewrote it for his dad. Is that 54? Is that 50? That's 54.
That's 54. And we were just talking about like 5 seconds ago.
Yeah.
And I looked to my right, and there it
I
is.
was like, what the heck?
Take a picture of that, Dad. It's okay, hey dog. It's okay.
Let me get a flash on.
There's my dog. That's a good boy.
Yes, that is a trip. Yeah, I'll show the bosses get around and decide I'm going to pick this up, just rub it on there. Or maybe he had chalk in his pocket
Right here.
because he had to mark things.
The first railroad in the United States began operating around 1825 in New Jersey. Railroads expanded, more people moved out west. Eventually, trains ran from coast to coast. Workers on the railroad ranged from unskilled day laborers to engineers who built and repaired the trains. The unskilled laborers who built the repair tracks were European immigrants, Irish, Italian, Romanian, and Russians. The engineers and conductors were native-born men. By 1910,
Bud.
by 1910, Mexicans and African Americans
Nope.
were
Stay right
employed as porters and other segregated unskilled jobs. Railroad employees worked long hours, often pulling 20 to 24-hour shifts until 1907, when new laws restricted the train crews to 16 hours of workout.
Hey, they could read it themselves way better than you can.
Okay. Thanks, Dad. I'm just trying.
You're welcome. Come. Stay. Nope. There's always some dickhead.